Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be playing our paintball, big paintball gun. I like this one. This is about paintball. It's not about like other ones. Okay, and you see right now I have a weapon. And the point of this is that you have to get eliminations and you get coins, so you can buy more weapons. Oh no, someone's on the hook. This is our team. Yes, it's in our team. What? How you got me? Right. And to set it up. Yes, I got one. Oh. You don't sprint. Oh yeah, you could sprint and you could run. Go more faster. Oh, this one looks it. You were getting my. Oh.
I can't get one.
Even one. Oh, we got like a lot. These are my weapons. I'm gonna try this one. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got one right before I left. Well, I could spawn a sentry and I'll just wait for the nuke, but either way I don't have that much time. You didn't see that coming. Oh, whoa, triple kill. You saw that, guys? I'm gonna spawn a drone. There's my drone right there. There it is. I'm gonna put it right. Wait, which one is it? Oh man, it doesn't matter. I got a sentry and it's X. Where's my X? Either way, I don't have that much time. Quick, place it. Ah. Yep, and it ended. And see the results. The results are right there. So, Nuketown. I want to do Nuketown. I like this one. This one loves this one. Everyone likes this one. Nuketown. Click it. No! This one, yes. Nuketown. I'm gonna try this one. Alright, let's go. See the results. See the results. Let's see. Go for it. I didn't see that much people before. I didn't see that many people. Oh, yes, I got one. I can't. Oh. It's not happening. Alright. Let's go. Air. Oh man. Is it just people's mouses or whatever they're playing there go so fast to move like they do like that. Like they're like this strand, then they move on to it. Oh wait, what? Right now they're in there. So we have 13 minutes that shows on the top of the clock. Same person. Why? Oh, double kill. Double elimination. I'll be going in here to closet with. I never see that coming. I didn't see that coming. That I got those people. Yes, I got you, and that guy got me. I'm doing very well. I'll try to save for the nuke. 77 more eliminations to do, and 4. I have to get 4 eliminations to get the drone, and then I'll move on to the nuke. The nuke is very hard to get, but you have to get a lot of eliminations to get the nuke. Yep, I got lost by a sentry. Sentries are very hard to destroy because they just target you right away. See? Like they don't even know what they're doing and they just go for you. Oh, so close. I'll go up here. Hey, what? He's got, oh, whoa. There you go. Yes, oh, we both got each other. Like that person got me and I got that person at the same time. Sentry gap. Oh, I got that person. Ah! Oh, whoa. I didn't see that coming. So I have like 71 more eliminations to go. Oh, yes. I just need one more to get the. Whoa, what just happened? I need one more to get the drone, and then I'll move on to the nuke. I'm sure to get the nuke. The nuke is very hard. Like right now, like they're getting everyone. Go up here. Oh, we got one. Go. So right now we're doing this, and that. Get you, punk. Oh man, punk. That person got. Oh, I got him. Whoa, there's a whole squad coming. We could already get the whole. Wait. I'm gonna put a sentry. Wait, what? How did that person got me? Got my sentry. There's a whole squad coming. Now, and there's another squad coming. Ah, so hard to aim. Oh. You're a punk. Wow! Oh, yes, I got him. Let's go to their base. Let's go. I'm gonna go to the shortcut. Take cover, baby. They don't even know that I'm right behind them. Whoa, their sentry was right there. Oh no, I'm not buying no robots. What? Oh, he's coming. Hurry up. What? He's camping. I have an idea. I have 66 more to go. Ah. Waha. I got you. Whoa. Whoa! What is happening? I'm being laggy. Okay, I might be ending up the video here right now. Still keep playing. A little bit more. Okay. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got another. Oh, never mind. I'll try to use this one. Shit on the top. You get more eliminations on the top. Shake more. Arm hurts. Shortcut. Shortcut. Oh man, he came right behind me. Right. Come on, man. Oh, I got it. I got the sentry. So I have 61 more to go to get the nuke. And I have 7 more minutes and 50 minutes. Seconds, I mean. I can't skip anymore. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna try to... Oh, wait. No. Perfect. Alright, let's try to do this. Oh. Oh, I got him. Ah. This game is free. You don't have to pay Robux for it. It's just free. Oh. Alright, time to do this. Oh wow. Alright, I have 57 more to go. Oh man, the dumb sentry. I might just put a sentry on their base so they can feel the pain of me. Wahahaha. I have to be sneaky, they're so... Oh wow, I got that person. Oh. So I'm gonna go up here. Parkour to them. Don't see any enemies up there. Nope. Okay, let's go. Let's go with you. You're not trying to be in our base, mister. So, pickle pants. Yes, I got that. Yes, let's do this. Aha, no. Sentry's so close to being destroyed. Let's go. Skip, 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 skip. Skip, skip, let's do this. Oh wow. Now that was perfect. Come on, get up here, get up here, quick, quick, quick. Yes, I got him, but he got me, but I got him. So 51 more to go, so I ought to get the nuke. I have 4 more minutes. Then I have a chance to get it. Oh, what? She's level 100. I've never seen a person at level 100 before. When I would have been at 40. And then just one more. Oh my god. No, it's not worth it. I need just one more to be 49. Uh-oh. Please, I just want to make it to the nuke. Oh, aha. It's a camper. She's so weird. Oh, ha, ha, ha. They won't even notice. Time to strike. Going for the tower. No, yes, I destroyed it. Oh. This is a war. We're not letting them to get us. Even one chance. I need this. Oh, no, what? What? I had a break here right there. I'll just have 2 more minutes and I will make it. So I'll probably end the video for a little bit more when the 2 minutes are up. Uh oh. Someone put a sentry here. There. They won't even see it coming. Going for the camera. They haven't noticed 2 more sentries. Going for the cameras. I'm going for the cameras. They won't even see me coming to here. What? Don't check out my sentry. They won't even see me coming. They don't know I'm here. But yes, gotcha. Yes. It's just I'm camping. It's just I'm camping. I'm just so good. Be up here. Be a droner. Alright. Alright, let's see. Radioactive. So right now they're going under. So they're coming up. I'm so good. So right now they don't know I'm down here, so I'm gonna go up here because they're trying to. Hi there! Oh man, I lost. It doesn't matter. At least I have 36 more to go, and I won't even make it. Oh man. There's war right here. They're creating an army. So I'm gonna end the video right here. Oh no, someone has sent them nuke! Run back, go back, fall back, fall back. Is it part of our team? They're not part of our team, they're winning! At least I'm safe. Another person sent a nuke! Fall back! Fall back! What? 2 people sent a nuke. Like, that's just perfect timing. Would you believe that? Another nuke? Oh man. Fall back, fall back. Oh, it's a part of our team. And that game ends. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to subscribe and like the video if you enjoy, and see you on the next time. Bye.